Tired of fumbling through your phone to quickly access Google Wallet at the checkout? Let's fix that by adding a handy shortcut directly to your lock screen. First, unlock your phone and find the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. Tap on it to open. Now, scroll through the list of options until you find Display. The exact wording might be slightly different depending on your phone's brand, but it will likely include the word Display. Tap on it. Within the display settings, look for an option related to your lock screen. Again, the label might vary but could be something like lock screen display, or similar. Tap on that. You should now see various lock screen customization options. Find and tap on shortcuts. This section lets you choose what apps appear as quick access icons on your lock screen. Here, you'll see options for both a left shortcut and a right shortcut. These correspond to the bottom corners of your lock screen. Decide which corner you prefer to place your Google Wallet shortcut. Tap on the shortcut you want to change. A list of available apps will pop up. Scroll through this list until you find Wallet or Google Wallet. Tap on Wallet to select it. The shortcut will automatically update to show the Google Wallet icon. Now, lock your phone to check it out. You should see the Google Wallet icon in the corner you selected. Tapping it will directly open Google Wallet, making your payments much faster and easier. That's all there is to it. Enjoy the convenience of quick and easy access to Google Wallet right from your lock screen.